These are the Lohas LED light bulbs. They have a color temperature of 2700 Kelvin, which is considered warm. So it's very similar to an incandescent light bulb. It is dimmable. So if you have a dimmer or if you have a three-way light, this should work with that. This is a 13-watt LED light bulb, which is equivalent to the light output power of a 150-watt light bulb, which means that it outputs 1500 lumens, which is really the number you should care about if you want to know how bright it is. And it says it has an estimated energy cost of $1.56 per year. And this is a 4-pack of light bulbs. And as you can see here, it has some of the key features there. The color temperature here is, of course, on the warmer side. It has an E26 style Edison socket, which is the most common socket sold in the US. So this is probably the one you're looking for if you have a standard socket and you live in the US. So it has no flicker, no buzzing, and you can see a sample picture of how it might look. It has a 1-year limited warranty. And the life expectancy based on 3 hours of usage per day is 22.8 years. So again, you can see they have this warm to cool scale, and this is on the warmer side. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. It kind of looks like this has been opened and resealed, but let's open this for the first time. Okay. Instructions. Do not swallow. That's a good tip. And this is your warranty card. Oh, look at that. That is a bit bigger than I expected, but it's not too big. Get a close-up of the socket. That is about 1 inch in diameter there. If you can see what it says there. Okay. You'll notice it has these 4 kind of LED strips, or very similar to a filament, and it's clear, so you can actually see inside of it. Has this little bump on the top there. And that's about the size of it in my hand, so let's see what that looks like and about how big it is. And there are 4 of them in here, so they're all the same there. Well, that's it. That is the 13-watt LED light bulb, which is equivalent to a 150-watt incandescent light bulb.